Karate. Naintindihan? There is no first strike in karate. Ay, sir, di ba may ano ka din, experience ka din sa mga sa SPJ? Okay, majigti. I-request na ka. Dito ka mong tamahan. Okay. This is how we do it. Before tayo pumasok sa gym or dun sa training school, this is how we do it. Bago tayo pumasok. We bow, we show some courtesy. Nakita nyo? Ito, matagal na para ito nag-experience, but still, he's reminded of the discipline. Di ba? Ano name mo, sir? Jason. Ano? Okay. So, when we say there's no first strike in karate, kailan kaaway tayo, wala kayo ginawa, bang! Sinira nyo agad. Mali. There is no first strike in karate. Kunwari, natulak lang kayo, hindi naman sinasadya, natulak kayo. Pag tulak sa inyo, tulak pa. Bumalik kayo, boom! Pinasok na ng paa. Hindi pwede. Sama yun. I'm teaching you how to fight for you to avoid fight. Okay? So, pakita ko rin sa inyo, who is taller between me and Sir Jason? Sino mas matangkad? Siya. Okay. This is what you can do. This is what you can do. Pag ginagawa natin yung stretching, bak na masama yun. Papuntan mo na lahat. Okay? Ako na masama. Dito lang may patong sa payo mo. Tahirap, mahirap. Okay. If you're good sa stretching nyo, kung desidido ka ng stretch, exercise sa bahay, tingnan mo. Imagine that this stuff is the face of your opponent. Can you still kick that person? But if you're trained, you can still hit that. Diba? Diba? So yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo ba? Tsagaan nyo rin yung stretching natin. Thank you, sir. Ano? So, nakita nyo na. Okay, what is your lesson number 2? What is your lesson number 2? Ha? Lesson number 2. Yes, there is no first strike in karate. I'm teaching you how to fight, to avoid fight. Sorry, last na lang, Sir Jason. Sabi, masisabi para sa sampulan natin. Okay. Kumare, there is no first strike in karate. Kumare, talagang nag-attempt siya. Nag-throw siya ng first strike. So what I did, I deflect. I block. There is no first strike in karate. Pinalo niya ako. Go. Boom. What did I do? Tinira ko ba agad? No. Again, there is no first strike in karate. Kasi pwedeng, minsan kasi yung tao, galit lang. Hindi mo sinasadya. Out of emotion, saktan ka niyan. So, di naman pwedeng pag ano pa lang, kung di naman desidido, puporma pa lang, kunwari, sige, forma, yung parang susuntok, bang, binira mo agad. Mali yung, it violates our second lesson. There's no first strike in karate. Malay mo, kunwari, si daddy nyo, lasing lang, hindi naman sinasadya, kunwari, kala nyo, titirahin kayo. Yung pala, yayakapin na kayo. Ang ginawa nyo, ganun ito. Daddy! Bang! Bang! Kawawa naman si daddy. So, ano lang, there is no first strike in karate. Kunwari, ganun ulit. Okay, daddy, tama na. Ganun lang. Ganun lang. Neutralize. Ano? Thank you. Your sensei is also a member of the Force Multiplier ng PNP. So, the Philippine National Police, CIDG group. Ano? Kaya I do arresting activities. Nag-arrest tayo ng some criminals. Member din tayo ng Force Multiplier. But your sensei is not a regular policeman. Ano? Businessman si sensei. Okay, excuse me. So,